Jump with me now, under the sun. Laugh with the crowd, we're on the run. Feel every spark, lighting us up. Hearts in the air, we can't get enough. Oh, 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 let it go, let it go. Oh, oh.
A few months back, I dropped a tutorial called How to Make Viral AI Music Videos, and you guys absolutely loved it. Seriously, thanks so much for all the love and for watching. But I get it. The process involved a ton of different AI software, and some of you found it a bit tricky. You know, using one tool to generate the image, another tool for the music, and then a third tool to put it all together into a video. But that was then. As we all know, 2025 has been a massive year for AI. We've seen epic updates to so many tools. For creators like us, this is awesome news. It means we can work way more efficiently, spend more of our energy on the creative side, and ultimately make more interesting and valuable videos. And check this out. I recently found this incredible tool that lets you create singing videos effortlessly. No more jumping back and forth between different apps. It's a huge time saver. And the best part? The quality of the videos is seriously impressive. Like the clip you saw at the beginning of this video, and this one right here.
Jump with me now, under the sun. Laugh with the crowd, we're on the run. Feel every spark, lighting us up. Hearts in the air.
So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool to make your own singing videos. If you're interested, you are not going to want to miss this. Alright, let's get started. Well guys, it's time to reveal the name of this game-changing tool. It's called Lemon Slice AI. When you open up Lemon Slice AI, you'll see the interface is super clean and simple. After you log in, just click Create Video to get going. Once you're in, it's incredibly straightforward. You can create a singing video in just 3 simple steps. Select image, select audio, and generate. Okay, let me show you how to create your first singing video. First, click the Select Image or Video button. Here, you can choose either My Media or Generate. Let's take it step by step. We'll start with the easy route, assuming we already have our image and music ready. Select My Media. I'm going to upload the character image that I've used in my previous videos. Then, just select it. Second, click the Select Audio button. You'll see 5 options here, but we're going to focus on the main 3: My Media, Record, and AI Music. Again, let's start with the simplest one, My Media. I'll upload a piece of music. Once it's uploaded, select it. Third, Generate. Before you click Generate, let's quickly go through some settings. First, set up the model. You have the V2.5 model and the V2.7 model. The V2.5 model is for talking head videos and supports clips up to 5 minutes long. The V2.7 model creates talking videos with full body and background motion, but it's capped at 1 minute. Next up, choose your resolution. V2.5 supports 1080p, while V2.7 currently only supports standard. Then, you have 3 video generation modes to choose from. Normal mode. Use this when the face takes up a large part of the image. In Paint. Face. Use this when the face is a smaller part of the image. Manually in Paint. Face. Use this when the face is small, hard to identify, like a non-human character, or if there are multiple people in the shot. Let's just go with Auto Select mode. Lemon Slice will automatically pick the best one for you. Next, choose Most Expressive. Choose the number of videos to generate at a time. You can also set the video to private. Once that's all done, click Generate. While that's processing, let's use the same image and music but switch over to the V2.7 model to generate another video so we can compare the two. After switching to V2.7, you'll notice you can only select standard resolution. But I'm sure they'll add higher quality options soon, especially since V2.7 is still in beta. We don't need to change any other settings. Just click Generate. Okay, both videos are now generating. This might take a minute, so let's just skip the wait and jump straight to the results. First up is the one made with the V2.7 model. Let's play it.
We shine like diamonds in the night. Your love's the reason I'm alive. A fire that never fades.
The movement and expressions are pretty on point, right? Now for the second one, using the V2.5 model. Let's play it too.
We shine like diamonds in the night. Your love's the reason I'm alive. A fire that never fades.
The lip sync is fantastic, but there's no hand movement. As for clarity, let's download them both to get a closer look. The V2.5 model is definitely sharper, but the V2.7 model has better motion. This makes sense because, as the description says, V2.5 is designed for talking head videos. So, it's ideal for close-up shots where you want to keep the face as clear as possible. This is really important. Take this example here.
Jump with me now, under the sun. Laugh with the crowd, we're on the run. Feel every spark, lighting us up. Hearts in the air.
So, what if you want the sharpness of the V2.5 model, but the full body movement of the V2.7 model? What do? Well, you can first use another tool to turn your image into a video, like this. Then, upload that video into Flux AI and use the V2.5 model to generate the singing animation. When you do it this way, the final video comes out looking amazing. The motion is smooth and the clarity is super high.
We shine like diamonds in the night. Your love's the reason I'm alive. A fire that never fades.
Problem solved, right? Okay, next, let's try generating the image and music directly inside Flux AI. Click Select Image or Video again. This time, we're going to generate an image right here in Flux AI. Click Generate. First, set the aspect ratio. Let's go with 16:9 widescreen. Then, choose a model. You can use any of these, but I'm picking Flux Context. The reason is that Flux Context is amazing at maintaining character consistency. I'll show you why that's so important in a minute. Now, enter a prompt like, a 20-year-old white female pop singer, wavy green hair, delicate shimmer makeup, glossy lips, gazing into the camera, neon pink-blue backlight, cinematic 8K portrait, shallow depth. Then click Generate. After a moment, our image is ready. Click Use this image. Of course, you can also modify the image. Click here on Edit Image. Select the same model and aspect ratio. Like I mentioned, Flux Context is fantastic for consistency. You can basically use text prompts to Photoshop the image. Enter a simple prompt, for example, change hair color to pink, keep others unchanged. Just like that, only the hair changed to pink. Or, if you want to change the posture or camera angle, you can type something like, change to mid-shot, keep others unchanged. This way, you can tweak the image however you want without changing the character's appearance. And this is totally free. That's why I chose the Flux Context model. Next, click Select Audio and then click AI Music. Input a song prompt. For example, an upbeat pop track at 180 beats per minute, joyful and energetic. Bright synths, punchy drums, groovy bass line, catchy vocal melodies with layered harmonies. Sparkling production like Dua Lipa or Ariana Grande, designed for dancing and high energy. radio-ready, fun, summer anthem vibe. After that, click Generate. Once it's done, give it a listen.
We light it up when the sun comes down, racing hearts all around the town. Colors burn
If you're not happy with it, just generate a new one.
Every night feels like summer now. Bright skies even when the sun goes down. Laughing, spinning with my
Then,
favorite
pick the one you
crowd.
like best.
We're alive,
I personally like the second one.
never coming
Let's select it and click Use this song. You'll see this song is 1 minute and 35 seconds long. You can use the entire track to generate your video, or you can drag the timeline like this to select just a specific clip. For this demo, I'll just grab the first few seconds of the song. Finally, double-check your settings. Once everything looks good, click Generate. And just like before, I'll also generate a version with the V2.7 model so we can compare them later. Okay, the two videos are now generating. Let's give it a moment. Alright, both videos are done. Let's check them out. This one is made with the V2.7 model.
Every night feels like summer now. Bright skies even when the sun goes down. Laughing, spinning with my favorite crowd. We're alive and we're never coming down. Hearts in the sunlight.
And this one is made with the V2.5 model.
Every night feels like summer now. Bright skies even when the sun goes down. Laughing, spinning with my favorite crowd. We're alive and we're never coming down.
So which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. What's most impressive is that all of this was done using just one tool, Lemon Slice AI. To get this kind of quality from a single platform is truly amazing. For anyone who wants to try it, you can find the link to Lemon Slice AI in the video description below. Of course, if you're already familiar with AI video tools, you can dive even deeper and create a music video with multiple shots. You can edit your image directly in Lemon Slice AI by inputting text prompts to create different camera angles and scenes. The character consistency you get with the Flux context model is just as good as anything else out there. All of these different shots were generated from that one original image. And the best part? Generating images here is completely free, so you can keep generating until you get exactly what you want. You could even download all the images to your computer, use another AI tool to animate them into video clips, and then bring those clips back into Lemon Slice AI to create the lip sync segments. I actually put together a short video to show you what I mean. Let's watch it.
Every night feels like summer now. Bright skies even when the sun goes down. Laughing, spinning with my favorite crowd. We're alive and we're never coming down. Hearts in the sunlight. Feeling like it's alright. Feet on fire, 'cause we're racing the moon. Glitter shoes and an endless afternoon. Hand in hand, running wild past June. Catch my smile, it's a headline tune. Let it go, let it flow, we're a wave in motion. Turn it up, we don't ever need a reason.
If you guys are interested in learning how to do that, let me know in the comments. If there's enough interest, I'll make a detailed tutorial on it very soon. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and share it. It helps me out a ton. I'll see you in the next one.